Okay, let's begin making AI things. Let's begin from this is on home, and I want to explain AI tools. We have a lots of AI tools, interesting AI tools. I'm beginning from the first and going to the down, explaining one by one. Sketch rendering. It's very interesting. You can sketch something. This is the page of that. You can sketch something and you can make it to the real image, rendering image. You can see it has a default sketch rendering that we are using them. You can discover and remix other user of these AI tools. This is your history images that you are creating. If you need assets, you can use there, but from the beginning, you can insert an image. You can click here and upload image that you want, or you can simply drag and drop something in here. Or I want to use our default sketch. For example, this. I want to turn this bottle, this glass of bottle, to real image and rendering. And I create a prompt. For example, I want to glass a bottle on the way of the sea under a rain. I want to turn this sketch, for example, to this is our prompt. You can delete that, or you can just render. For example, I want to render in a desk background. Control A and Control C and Control V, or you can enhance prompt. It's if you click, it adds a lot of things to your. For example, bottle with a smooth, clear handle. Oh, it adds lots of other things to you. But I want to just simple things. And reference image. Be careful about that. But we have a lot of sitting here that you get. You can add which style you want, which scene you want to be. But if you add a reference image, it's trying to create a bottle or the scene exactly like this, and it's limit your creativity, limit your prompts. In this case, let's doing that. And I don't want any style. You can delete it. Nothing. Without these settings, just with the prompts and reference image. Let's generate what happened to that. Generate one image. But bottom of the these settings, you can tell which number of the image do you want to create. Just I create one to make it faster. If you subscribe and add and create and pay for these tools, you can add more detail. You can turn it off, or you can activate a fast mode. That's why subscribe here in the standard version of that, and I'm accessing these tools, and you can see it creates something like this for you. But in the prompts, you can tell the software rotate that, for example, change background. You can see it's limit my imagination. And delete the reference image, and this is your generation and history. Again, we have two versions of the settings, setting number 1 and setting number 2. In setting number 1, you can see we have less setting. Just you can change the style, the simple style. Don't use this cover, just stay in here. You can natural, you can make it photography, for example, a photography, or commercial, film, Japanese manga. For example, change it to Japanese manga, it's nice, or sci-fi or game. This is a style. Which style do you want to create? And the mode. Which mode do you want to? We have a lot of mode here. It's very simple. I explain these in my opinion in this way. Just maybe it has a lot of sitting behind them, but I want to explain them very easily. The explanation that I think about this. For example, for example, imagine this is your works, this is your prompts, this is the border that you want to AI create for you. Precise means exactly the things that you type and the thing that you want. A little imagination. Outline mode, it preserves the most of the prompt that you tell, but it's create imagination, but it does not go from your borders. Soft edge, it's maintain your borders, but a little bit inside of your prompt and a little bit outside of that. It creates more imagination. Concepts, it's completely soft, and you can see it does not maintain your border, and it gives it lots of imagination for you. Depths, it's for creating a 3D model. That I love it for in this case. Or it's precision and the concept. It's mixing concept and something like this. You can see it's trying to maintain in your borders, and it gives a lot of imagination to that with these softwares. And depth concepts, it's 3D and the concepts. Let's doing that. And here you can activate advanced or not. These things means you can activate more detail. You can see, for example, in a standard, in a detail, for example, you can see at the back of the window we have nothing, and in a detail we have a lot of background in our detailed version. You have to subscribe that. Okay, for subscription you can go here, and I don't want to open a new tab. Oh no, it's image. I want to open it in new. Yes, view my profile, and let's memberships. Yeah, you can see I generating some things and I'm spending my coins. You can see here. And you can go to, for example, upgrades. Here, I choose standard. If you want, you can make it a pro, and you have a lots of other things. Okay, so make sure you are subscribed, because you can access fast rendering and lots of other tools. Okay, so you understand the modes in volume 2, volume 1. And let's generate one image, and let's see what happened here. Where is that? Yeah, it's generating here. Yeah, let's see. It's creating like a manga and something like that. If you want, you have to describe more. Please describe a lot of things. Let's enhance prompt and see what happened with these two things. I make it mode with precise, exactly thing that I want, and again generate one, and it's generating for you. Let's try. You can see, because I activate fast mode, it's rendering fast. Wow, it's enhanced and rain. Nice. You have to tell the software more about that. Okay, or for example, this. You can go to the AI tool again, sketch, to tell the software. For example, can delete that, and create something like this. If you open image, you have access some tools here. You can zoom in, zoom out. You can crop your sketch. This brush and eraser is for other tools, but you can use it. Okay, let's delete that and come back to our bottle. Create this again. And the prompt is, it tells product design, packing design. It tells it the software that, and it has some settings here. Let's talk about the volume 2 setting. This is volume 1. You can see it's not good. Go to the volume 2. It has more setting. Style, which style? Wow, which style do you want to see? We have in this case lots of style. For example, sci-fi. Which scene do you want to be? You can, for example, because this isn't packing and design, choose packing and design. For you can see in which this, something like that. And the mode, in this case, it has precise outline, depths, and other things, but it has a structure. It's a new one. It's high technology to generate best result with ultra high precision. So tell it that. If you need more creativity, you can increase that again, or more artistry if you want. And another additional setting in volume 2 is perspective. You can tell the camera, for example, very close, wide angle, or other things, front, at the back, at the, which part do you want? Aerial view. I choose high angle, or for example, from above angle, full body if you have close-up shot, wide angle in this case. Lighting, here you can activate lighting, for example, in bright neon lighting, something like that. I choose that and generate. Let's make sure you're using version 2 of the settings. It's better and more powerful. You can see the result of here is not very good. Here you can like it, you can dislike, you can delete that if you want, or you can download it. I will tell you detail, delete, and it's not it's not, I want to stay there. You can remix it, you can publish it. It's a private, you can publish it. Yeah, you can see it's nice. It's trying to do its best. If you click on that, you can see the setting that you use. You have to try and try to create more interactive AI. From here, you can save it to your asset. You can delete that, or you can download. You can download preview. Again, if you subscribe to this website, PromeAI, you can download this size, or you can use to send it to the HD upscaler. It's another AI tool that you can, I will be explaining it later. It's adds lots of more quality to your image. Or from here, you can edit it. You can upscale it. You can erase and replace something in your image, or you can expand your image. You can convert it to the image, this image to video. These are AIs too that are explained one by one, but you can access them here individually, or more other effects. So the important thing of here is download. You can download your AI image here. So this is a sketch. Let's try this image sketch again. What does it mean? Okay, that's nice. You can use prompt, tell exactly what you want. For example, enhance prompt, because I don't using any words. Reference image again. These styles are the style. The mode is, in this case, mode is in the outline. And let's generate this, and that's what happened with this default sketch. Or you can upload your sketch here. You can delete that, or you can upload your image here. Let's see with this default. It's a general, cartoony. You can use a lot of these tabs here. You can see. You can tell which scene do you want to be. Jewelry, nice, packing. Explore all of them. But here we have the game character. It's user man. Explore these tabs to understand more. You have to explore them. And you can delete that. Nice. It's convert this character to this image. If you click in a larger image, you can see if you go in there, you can make the large image. Again, you have a slider. You can give the software, for example, you can compare your sketch with rendering. Nice. You can make it side by side. Interesting. Or from here, again, you can publish it in your assets. For example, publish in your profile. Publish. You can see. You can tell title, tag. You can hide creation information. Just publish it. It's going in your profile, and other can see them, and you can. Here again, you can download it. This is an copy from and setting of this, and then you can paste it at other settings. It's very interesting. And you can discover. Okay. And this is your history. You can go down and you can look at here. You can remix it to other things. Okay. From here, you can go in your mouse over there and you can go to the sketch modeling and then rendering. Another interesting tools here, you can generate similar. It generates another copy of this rendering to you. Nice, you can see it's converting that. And let's go into profile. Yeah, you can see it's publishing now. It's in your profile, and others can remix that. You can copy prompt and the setting of this image, and again create something like that. Nice. Nice, it's your profile. You can customize that and generate similar of that. But it changes the color and something else. I don't like this. Delete that. Okay, here you can add your image or your sketch from here. And wow, for example, you can sketch something like that and make it render image. Nice, it's powerful software, powerful AI tools. Okay, this is simple. Explore yourself with the settings. This team of the PromeAI add lots of other settings, lots of other tools, and are adding more and more technology, more and more settings, more and more tools to PromeAI. Okay, the sketch rendering is finished, and let's go to the AI image generation. For using PromeAI, go to the description and click on this link. Then simple create an account. You can log in or sign up. You can continue with your Google account, or you can give an email and create a password if you want. And here is PromeAI website. For using the PromeAI tools, AI tools, you have to spend coins. If you need more coins to using more of tools, you have to buy one of these plans. And you can redeem a code. I give that code in description. You can use it to get some coins. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.